Okay, and today we are calculating using standard form. So hit pause, copy lesson objective keywords down, write starter underline, and when you're ready hit play again. Okay, here's our starter, off we go. Hit pause. Once you're done, hit play and we'll go through them. Okay, question 1. -3 minus -5. Two minuses next to each other. Remember, two negatives mean a plus. So it'll be -3 plus 5, which is going to give us 2. Got our formula here on question 2. Cost of hiring a plumber is C, which is equal to n times 12 plus 20. Now to find the cost of 3 hours work, C is going to be equal to n is 3, so we substitute, plus 20, and that's 36 plus 20, so that's going to be £56. That's part A. Part B, we need to find out how many hours cost £80. Just change the pen to make it clearer. So for part B, we've got C is equal to, same formula, n times 12 plus 20, but the cost this time is 80. So 80 is equal to n times 12 plus 20. That's plus 12 here, floats over the equal sign, pings to a minus. So it'll be 80 minus 20 is equal to n times 12. So 60 is equal to n times 12. And we divide by 12. 60 divided by 12 is equal to n, which means that n is equal to 5 hours. Hopefully we got that right. We're adding fractions here. If we're adding fractions, we need to have a common denominator. What do 5 and 7 both go into? 35. Multiply this 5 by 7. So I multiply the 2 by 7, which gives me 14. To get to 35, I multiply the 7 by 5. So I multiply the 3 by 5, it's 15. So I get 29 out of 35. Question 4. We need to know our metric to imperial conversions. 1 kilogram equals 2.2, correct, pounds. So 10 kilograms equals 10 times 2.2, 22 pounds. Don't drag rate it yet, but make your corrections, and when you're ready, hit play again, and I've got 3 more questions for you. Okay, 2 more questions rather. Hit pause, have a go. When you're ready, hit play again. Okay, so Jack goes on holiday to America. Exchange rate is £1 to $1.30. How much will he get for £200? Well, let's have a look. £1 gets you $1.30. So 200 would be 200 times $1.30. Or we could find 100. I'm sure some of you have done this. Which would be $130, because $1.30 times 100, when it's 200, we double that, so times 2, $260. And question 6, find an expression for the cost of 8 buttons at B pence each and 2 sewing needles at S pence each. So total cost, it's going to be the buttons cost B pence for 1, so it'll be 8B. And the needles cost S pence for 1, so 2 of them will be 2 times S plus 2S. So you should have. Hit pause. Any corrections necessary, make them. And now I want you to rag rate your work then. Leave a little comment. Once you're done, hit play and we'll look at working calculations with standard form. I like this. No calculator required. So we can work out these calculations without the use of a calculator. I think we'll do example 1 first. Okay, so what I like about these, without the use of a calculator. Okay, so we got 4 times 10 to the power of 8 times 9 times 10 to the power of 5. Well, we do the numbers first. So we look at 4 times 9, 36, times 10 to the power of, and then we add the indices. 8 plus 5 is 13. So we've got 36 times 10 to the power of 13. But it's not standard form because 36 is bigger than 10. So what we do is we take that 36 and we say 36 is 3.6 times 10 to the power of 1. Don't forget we're multiplying by 10 to the power of 13 as well. So that's equal to 3.6 times 10 to the power of 1 plus 13, 14. Let's have a go at the next one. Same sort of thing. Do the numbers first. 5 times 3 is 15 times 10 to the power of, we've got minus 2 plus 12. Minus 2 plus 12 gives me 10. Now 15 is bigger than 10, so that's no good. That's not a standard form. So I do take my 15, that's 1.5 times 10, which is 10 to the power of 1, times 10 to the power of 10. So that's going to be equal to 1.5 times 10 to the power of 1 plus 10, 11. So that's 2 examples showing how we multiply using indices in standard form. Hit pause. Actually, don't hit pause yet. I'll give you some to copy. Don't copy just yet. Let's move on. Okay. So again, without a calculator, but this time we are dividing. No calculator, but it's division going on this time. So we've got 8.4 times 10 to the power of 9 divided by 2 times 10 to the power of 4. We do numbers first. So 8.4 divided by 2 is 4.2 times 10 to the power of 9 divided by 10 to the power of 4. Because it's divide, we subtract the indices. Leaves us with 10 to the power of 5. Okay. It's 4.2. That falls in the range between 1 and it's less than 10. So that's job done. Let's look at this one here. 8.8 times 10 to the power of 10 divided by 4 times 10 to the power of 7. So we divide the 8.8 by 4. 8.8 divided by 4 is 2.2 times 10 to the power of 10 divided by 10 to the power of 7 means we take away 10 minus 7 is 3. This one, we've got 9.6 times 10 to the power of minus 4 divided by 3 times 10 to the power of minus 17. So again, we divide the numbers first. 9.6 divided by 3 is going to be 3.2 times 10 to the power of minus 4 minus minus 17. You've got to be careful with those. Minus 4 minus minus 17. It's like the first question in the starter, that becomes a plus. Minus 4 plus 17, and minus 4 plus 17 is 13. Okay, good. So what I want you to do is to make some notes, and I want you to copy these down into your book. So hit pause, copy these examples down. Once you're done, hit play, and I've got some questions for you, which I will also attach to the assignment. Okay, so I want you to do questions 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then jump to questions 1, 2 and 3. So it seems the wrong way around, but all the questions on there. Good. I'll attach the assignment. Sorry, the classwork to the assignment. Okay.